How's it going, everyone? I'm Landon with LMR.com. In this video, we're going to be taking a closer look at these 1993 Cobra style pulleys from industry leader 5.0 Resto. Whenever the 1993 Cobra was debuted, it featured several exclusive parts throughout the car, and a few of those exclusive parts happened to be some of the pulleys. At first, the Ford engineers reduced the overall diameter of the crank pulley by 14% in comparison to the regular 5-liter crank pulley to underdrive the other accessories for more power. The drawback of a smaller crank pulley was a slower turning water pump and alternator, both of which were addressed before the car was released. So throughout the years, the Cobra style pulleys became a popular upgrade for non-Cobra owners. However, as time has passed, these pulleys have been getting harder and harder to find. Fast forward to today, and we finally have a complete 1993 Cobra style pulley offer. Currently, 5.0 Resto offers all three of the Cobra style pulleys, which includes the crank pulley, the water pump pulley, and the alternator pulley. All three pulleys offer a 14% underdrive versus regular 5-liter pulleys, which reduces parasitic load on the engine, and because of the smaller diameters, they are in fact lighter than regular 5-liter pulleys, which also helps with additional horsepower because of the reduction in rotational mass. For those of you wondering how much weight is saved, it is minimal, but every little bit helps, and all three 1993 Cobra style pulleys are 0.8 pounds lighter than regular 5-liter pulleys. Also, because of the smaller diameter alternator pulley, the charging voltage is not affected and still maintains a healthy 14.3 volts at idle. Now that can differ depending on the condition of the alternator and if you have any additional aftermarket electrical accessories. Each pulley is manufactured using high-strength steel to mimic the factory design and then finished in a black E-coat for years of durability and of course to closely replicate the factory pulleys. Each pulley features a 6-rib design and will bolt right into place with no modifications. These pulleys are great for any enthusiast that owns a 1993 Cobra and is looking for new pulleys, or non-Cobra owners wanting to upgrade to an underdrive style pulley while retaining a factory look versus aftermarket underdrive pulleys. Currently, the 93 Cobra style pulleys are available individually or in a kit. You can reuse your hardware if it's still in good shape, or you can opt for new hardware from the site whenever you purchase your pulleys. These pulleys are designed to fit 1979 to 1993 5-liter Mustangs with serpentine belt drives, and because of numerous combinations of accessory drive components, you'll want to make sure you get the correct length belt for your application. Please reference our belt measurement video on how that is done. We also have a pulley removal and installation video available for those of you that may need the help. Now, because we're enthusiasts like all of you and we have some really cool tools to obtain data, we installed a set of these 5.0 Resto 93 Cobra style pulleys onto one of our shop cars and did some before and after dyno comparisons. Over the stock style pulleys, the 93 Cobra style pulleys made right at 3 more horsepower and an additional 6 pound-feet of torque at peak. Now, if we take a closer look at the graph, there was a very impressive increase in torque throughout the curve, which was almost 14 pound-feet, and that happened at 2,800 RPM. The dyno pulls were performed on the same dyno in the same conditions, and nothing else had changed on the car other than the pulleys. With that being said, please keep in mind that individual results will vary. As always, for the most up-to-date product information, pricing, and availability on anything in the video, please reference LMR.com. If you like this video or it helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great Fox Mustang videos and turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release something new. Until next time, for all things Fox Body Mustang, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.